Yo, TikTok, so I made myself a little primitive fishing hook, but how much weight can it actually hold? Very simple, primitive technology. I've got a 2-litre bottle of water here that's a quarter of the way full. So this will represent a half a kilo fish. Then to simulate this little hook latching into some fish tissue, I've got my shamag. So all I'm gonna do basically is get my shamag, put the bottle in the middle, and then at the corners, 1, 2, some thick tissue this, 4, put my little hook through it all, like so. See, poking through there, and then basically just try pick it up. One of them's fallen off, but it's got it. That's half a kilo. A little bit of thrashing about. Yeah, it's not bad. Right. So now I have my kilo fish, you see. Half full. Half full. It's a big fish. Hey, fishy, fishy. I'm gonna do it sideways this time. Bam, bam, thank you, mum. Center point is about there. The little hook goes through. Is through. All right, moment of truth. Can you do it? Can you do it? Bright's done it. A kilo. Kilo and a half. Yeah, boy. Hook goes in like so. Right. Oh, that's pushing it though, but it's done it. It's done it. A little bit of struggling. Yeah. I'm just shaking the water bottle. Bro, no way. Right. It's full to brim. That's a, tell you what, it's a big fish. Boom, shakalaka. I mean, I've even drilled a hole in it as well, so I'd expect where the hole is going to be the weakest, but nah, it's absolutely doing bits. Oh, that feels dubious, but it's done it. It's done it, man. Nah, I wonder how much it can actually hold. I don't want to break my little hook though. It's ripping the shamag. Whoa. Right. Oh, it didn't break. It was the shamag that ripped. Look. It's still solid. Well, I mean, it's a big fish.